Hi! Welcome to the new year. Today is the first day of 2025 and we start the year with making a watercolor painting of a colorful bird. Hi, I'm Annie, a self-taught artist on a journey to learn to draw and show you my process, my progress, and what I've learned since I decided to draw a few years ago. In this video I'm talking a bit about my process, but I won't be talking through the whole video, so you can follow me or just chill and enjoy the cozy music. On the first day of the new year I like to go to a short hike with my dog, cook some good food and draw something, and Birbfest is a great opportunity to do this. Birbfest is a drawing challenge where you draw birds for the month of January, and the first bird this year was the Lady Ross's Turaco. It's a really bright red and blue bird, so I was excited for the coloring phase. However, I had to get over the sketching first. I started with finding the form and colors I would use and drew some feathers to show the form and texture of the bird. After I was satisfied with the sketch, I drew a light sketch on a watercolor paper, which is a bit tricky because you cannot really erase watercolor paper because it ruins the texture of the paper. Last year for Birbfest I was using alcohol markers and those birds turned out really good, but this year I wanted to switch it up and use watercolor instead because it's a more versatile tool and also I have to practice it more. If you're following me on Instagram, you might have seen the watercolor studies I did at the end of the year. And for this painting, I tried a similar method with layering and glazing and leaving some parts white. and you will see at the end of the painting that not much white remained. What I enjoy the most with watercolor is blending different colors and how it makes unique and smooth grading. It's super different from alcohol markers or color pencils, and while digital watercolor brushes can emulate the effect, it's just not the same. I love this. We are almost ready now. What's missing is some highlight. So traditionally with watercolor you leave the white of the paper for highlights, but I like to have some really thin and detailed lines on the darker parts, and for this I usually use an acrylic paint or marker like this Posca pen. And we are done with the first painting of the year. How do you like it? I'm really happy with it. The colors are really nice and the feathers show a nice 3D form. Thank you for watching my first ever YouTube art vlog video. I hope you got some tips or new info in here, especially if you're at the beginning of your art journey. My dream for this year, 2025, is to sell my art online and tabling at conventions, and you can help me. So if you enjoy this, please like, subscribe, and check out my Ko-fi link in the description below to support my art journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!